Good morning, students. In previous class, we had studied the excretory system in human being, which is also known as urinary system. Excretory system in human being consists of four main parts: pair of kidneys, pair of ureter, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. We had studied that the main function of kidney is to remove the nitrogenous waste and other extra wastes from the blood. So the excretory system present in our body helps in removing or eliminating unwanted substances, mainly the nitrogenous waste from our body, and this function is performed by the kidney. When we see the structure of kidney, we can see that the kidney is a bean-shaped structure which contain large number of tubular structure, which is a uniferous tubular structure. This uniferous tubular structure is the main structure used to remove or eliminate the waste products from our blood. This structure is known as nephron, which you can see on the screen. When we see the structure of nephron, as nephron helps in elimination of unwanted substances, mainly the nitrogenous waste in the form of urine. So this nephron is known as structural and functional unit of kidney or filtration unit of kidney. It is also known as excretory unit. All the names are given to the nephron. We usually use the name unit, refer nephron as a unit, because this is the main structure or the basic structure present in the kidney, which helps in the main purpose, that is excretion. Now come to the structure of the excretory unit or the nephron. You can see on the screen we had a tube-like structure coiled here and there. This tube-like structure is known as nephron, as this nephron helps in removing the unwanted substances and forms a urine. So this is also known as uriniferous tubule. When we see the structure of nephron, we can find different parts. The complete tube of nephron is divided into two main parts. The first part is known as Malpighian body, which mainly contain Bowman's capsule and glomerulus, which you can see on the screen. That is this part. This part is known as Malpighian tubule. In this part you can see blood vessel known as afferent arteriole enters into a cup-shaped structure called glomerulus. This one is the glomerulus, which is actually a tuft of blood vessel or arteriole. This blood vessel, after filtering the blood, move out, and this structure is known as efferent arteriole. So the first part, which you can see on the screen as Malpighian tubule or Malpighian body, contain C-shaped or cup-shaped Bowman's capsule. In this Bowman's capsule, another part is there, that is glomerulus. Glomerulus is formed by the blood vessel. The blood vessel which enter into the cup or Bowman's capsule, that is the afferent arteriole. The another part or the next part of the nephron is the tube, this complete tube which you can see on the screen. This complete tube is known as renal tubule. Renal means the word related to the kidney. So the tube present in the kidney. The renal tubule. When we see the structure of renal tubule, we can find various reasons performing various functions. As per its reason and its function performing by them, they are subdivided, subpartitioned in different named. The first part, which you can see, is a coiled structure connected to Bowman's capsule, is known as proximal convoluted tubule. It means PCT, proximal convoluted tubule. The next part is this one. This part is loop of Henle's, or we also called it as Henle's loop. Third part is this one. This is distal convoluted tubule, that is DCT. So the second part of nephron, that is renal tubule, is subdivided into three major portions: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, and the third is distal convoluted tubule. Now the complete renal tubule opens into a structure which is again a tubular part of the nephron, and this part is known as collecting duct. This collecting duct, as the name refer, it is a tube which collect the urine or excretory waste excreted out through the glomerulus or through the Malpighian body of nephron. So this is the structure of the nephron, which is the main part of kidney and helps in the functional unit.